Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my crochet pattern, the polka dot hexagon. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the slip stitch, the single crochet stitch, the half double crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. So to start row 1, you're going to make a circle. I have a playlist on different techniques on how to make a circle, and I will have that listed down below. I'm going to be using the slip stitch technique. So I have already made 4 chains on my hook. And to make my circle, I'm going to slip stitch into the first chain I made, or the farthest one from my hook. And this space right here is going to be my circle. So to begin, you're going to make 3 chains. Then you're going to make 12 double crochet into your circle. So this is my circle space. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Once you have all 12 made, you're going to slip stitch into the first chains you made at the beginning of your row to complete row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. If you were going to bring in a new color, you can attach it to any stitch. Into the first stitch connected with these 2 chains, make 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch, make 2 double crochet. Into the next stitch, make 2 double crochet. You're going to keep making 2 double crochet into each stitch around. When you get to the beginning of your row where you made those chains and that 1 double crochet, slip stitch into those chains at the beginning of your row to complete row 2. To start row 3, I have brought in my new color. You can attach it to any stitch and then make 5 chains. Make 1 double crochet into the same stitch that you made these chains in. This is going to be one of our hexagon corners. Into the next stitch, make 1 double crochet by itself. Into the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Into the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. So these stitches of 1 double, 1 half, and 1 double are going to be our sides. So we did a corner, and then this is our side. We're ready to do another corner. This corner is going to be a double crochet into the next stitch, chain 2, and then double crochet into that same stitch as the one you just made. So following this, we're going to do the same thing on this side that we did over here. Next stitch is 1 double crochet, then a half double, then a double. Ready to make our next corner. Into the next stitch, double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet together. We're ready to make our next side. Double crochet, half double, and double. Next corner, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet into that same stitch as the one you just made. Next side, double crochet, half double, and double crochet for our side. Into the next stitch, we're going to make that double crochet, chain 2, double crochet for our corner. Our next side, double crochet, half double, and double. Next corner, double, chain 2, double. We only have 3 stitches left for our last side. Double crochet into the next stitch, half double into that next one, and then a double by itself into the last stitch. Once we get to the end of the row, we're going to be back where those chains are that we made in that double crochet. You're going to slip stitch into those to complete this row. To start row 4, make 1 chain. If you're bringing in a new color, start at a corner space to make that 1 chain. Into this corner space where we made this chain, make 2 single crochet. Now into each stitch across until you get to your next corner space, make 1 single crochet into each of those stitches. I'm now at my next corner space. Make 3 single crochet into that corner space. Now I'm at my next side. Into each stitch across for your side, make 1 single crochet into each until you reach your next corner. I'm at my next corner space. Make 3 single crochet into that space. So same thing for my next side, make 1 single crochet into each stitch until you reach your next corner. I'm at my next corner, make 3 single crochet into that corner space. So same thing for this side, 1 single crochet into each stitch until you get to your next corner. Three single crochet into that next corner, then 1 single crochet into each stitch until you reach the next corner. Three single crochet into that next corner. I'm now at my last side. I'm going to make one single crochet into each of these stitches until I get to this corner. Once you reach the end of your row where you make it to that first corner that you started in, you're going to slip stitch into the first chain that you made to complete this row. And that is going to be how to make my polka dot hexagon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.